Welcome to this IELTS Listening Practice Test. The test is divided into 4 sections. You will hear the audio only once. There are 40 questions in total, and each question carries 1 mark. You will have some time to read the questions before each part of the recording. Use this time wisely to look at the questions carefully. At the end of each section, you will also have time to check your answers. Write your answers as you listen. At the end of the test, you'll have time to review all 40 answers. Now, get ready for the test. The listening audio will begin shortly.
Section 1. Conversation. For hotel booking. A woman is calling a hotel to book a room for her holiday.
Receptionist. Good afternoon, Seaview Hotel. How can I help you? Woman. Hi, I'd like to book a room from the 12th to the 15th of July. Receptionist. Sure. Are you traveling alone? Woman. No, I'm with my husband and child. Receptionist. Great. We have a family room available. If you book early, you get a 10% discount. Woman. That sounds good. What's the price per night? Receptionist. Normally, it's £120 per night, but with the discount, it's £108 per night. Woman. Perfect. Does the room have a sea view? Receptionist. Yes, it does. Woman. And what about breakfast? Receptionist. It's included and served between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. Woman. Lovely. Is there free parking? Receptionist. Yes, we offer free parking for guests. Woman. Great. Can you add an extra bed for my child? Receptionist. Of course, at no additional charge. Woman. Wonderful. I'll pay with my credit card. Receptionist. Sure. I'll send you an email confirmation shortly.
Section 2. Monologue. Museum tour guide. A tour guide gives information about visiting a museum.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the City Museum. Our opening hours are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. The entrance fee is £7 for adults and £5 for children. This museum is famous for its extensive collection of ancient artifacts from Egypt and Mesopotamia. If you'd like a guided tour, you can book online or by phone. Our cafe serves coffee, sandwiches, and light meals. The special exhibition this month is about Egyptian history, featuring artifacts from the pyramids. For those who want an audio guide, it is available in English and Spanish. Please note that large bags must be stored in lockers, and photography is forbidden in certain areas. School groups are advised to book in advance to ensure availability. We hope you enjoy your visit.
Section 3. Conversation between students discussing a project. 2 students, John and Maria, discuss their project on climate change.
John. So, Maria, what should our main focus be for the project? Maria, I think we should cover greenhouse gases and their impact on global warming. John. That's a good idea. I'll handle the research on deforestation. Maria. Great. I can make the PowerPoint slides. Also, we should talk about renewable energy sources. John. I agree. We could interview an environmental scientist to get expert insights. Maria. That would be interesting. I also want to include a case study on climate change in developing countries. John. That's smart. I'll analyze temperature data from the past 50 years. Maria. That sounds tough. Collecting data is always challenging. John. Yes, but we can make it more engaging by adding a video. Maria. And I'll present the conclusion. Oh.
Section 4. Lecture about the impact of social media on communication. A university professor discusses how social media has changed communication.
In today's lecture, we'll discuss how social media has transformed the way people communicate. One of the key benefits is the speed of information sharing. Social media allows users to share news instantly worldwide. Businesses have also adopted social media for marketing, helping them reach global audiences. However, there are drawbacks. Many users experience reduced social skills as face-to-face interactions decline. Young people, in particular, are prone to addiction, spending excessive time on platforms. Another issue is misinformation. as unverified facts spread quickly. This happens due to a lack of fact-checking. Additionally, social media can cause stress, especially among young users. Many platforms use algorithms to personalize content. In the future, we expect to see more virtual reality features integrated into social media experiences.